Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another bonus video and this is part of my D-Stash giveaway series. I've been working through my collection and trying to get rid of polishes that just don't get any love. They were bought, I had to have them, but with my collection being so massive, I have worked my way through and tried to get rid of some polishes that are just, similar to other things in my collection. So today we're doing the second half of the American Apparel polishes, and then the extra polish that was thrown into this bunch is Marc Jacobs, and this one's called Surrender Dorothy. So just a beautiful red glitter bomb. So, and like I said on the last video, there is tape residue on some of these bottles, and this one definitely has ugly bottle syndrome, but the polish inside is just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So there you have it. These polishes have been swatched and swatch dots have been done on them. I have worn this one. I have not worn any of the other ones. So if that bothers you, you don't want to join this giveaway, I can guarantee. And but if you are interested and that doesn't bother you a bit, I mean, when I went to the salon, I mean, honey, they're not breaking open a brand new bottle of polish every time they do somebody's nails. So to me, it's plenty fine. So today's colors are going to be Poppy, Palm Springs. That's got such ugly bottle syndrome. I'm so sorry. And then this beautiful blue is called Passport Blue. And then we've got a cranberry called Berry. Then we've got that Marc Jacob ones. And then we've got Hasid. And then this beautiful pink is Coney Island. I love this one. And then this off-white is called Cotton. That's my puppy dog's name. So that is the giveaway for today, the offering up for my D-Stash giveaway. If you are interested in this, you must be subscribed to my channel, 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission. Let me think what else. You gotta leave me a comment down below, and you gotta live in the United States, because I cannot send polishes outside of the States right now. I'm already going to be spending a small fortune on, 14 8-bottle giveaways. So, definitely can't be shipping something out of the United States right now. So, that is today's giveaway. If you're interested in this one, leave me a comment down below. And if you are the winner of this giveaway, I will be getting in touch with you. So, that is giveaway number 7. Number 7. So, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.